Hello everyone. In the last video, I demonstrated how to download Chrome plugins to the local computer. Today, I will demonstrate how to add Chrome plugins to the Application Center in MuLogin. Click here. You can also view the graphic tutorial of how to download the Chrome plugin to the local computer. I will still use this plugin as an example to demonstrate. In MuLogin Client, click Application Center. Click Upload Application. Add an icon for this plugin. I have prepared one icon in advance. Click here to add the picture. Select a picture. Click here, and the picture has been uploaded. Then upload the installation package. Please note that the installation package only supports ZIP format. If the downloaded plugin is in CRX format, you need to change the suffix to RAR format first. Then decompress the RAR format file and recompress it into ZIP format after decompression. In the last video, I have downloaded this plugin and changed the suffix to RAR format. Right-click, select Unzip to a Block Plus folder. After unzipping, select this folder to recompress. Right-click, select Add to Compressed File, and select ZIP format. Select OK. The plugin has been compressed to ZIP format. Click Upload. Select the compressed ZIP file. Click Open. Then enter the name of the application. Copy. Paste it here. The plugin is installed. After this is turned on, the plugin will be automatically added to all browser configuration files, so you don't need to add the plugin to the browser one by one manually. If it is not turned on, you need to manually set it in the browser configuration file. Let's turn on this button this time. Go back to the browser list. Select an old browser configuration file. Click this small icon. You can see the Prohibit Inheriting Global Settings is turned off. Click Cancel, no need to change, then open the browser. You can see that the plugin has been automatically loaded. Then we use Quick Create to quickly create a new browser. Open the browser. And you can see the plugin also added to the new browser. Back to Application Center. Turn off this button. Go to Browser List. Create a new browser configuration file. Then open this browser. You can see that the plugin will not be automatically added to the browser. Close the browser. Click this icon and enable Prohibit Inheriting Global Settings. Select this plugin. Click Save Settings. It shows that the operation is successful. Open the browser. And you can see that the plugin is automatically loaded again. Thanks for watching.